Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, my name is Iis Azmi with NPM 232122142. I'm from class D. In here, I want to tell about phonetics and phonology. Introduction is when we communicate with someone having the same language background, we don't realize that we are following a certain set of rules which govern the language we are using. The sounds which we communicate are not randomly produced and arranged. They are produced in accordance with certain rules that native speakers follow. Even if they are not aware of what they do, the English sound, as in things, for instance, is produced by having the tip of tongue between the upper and lower teeth and the withdrawing it. From the examples above, we can see that language is rule governed. First is phonetics. Phonetics is a science that deals with the sounds of human language. It is normally divided into three sub-branches, namely acoustic phonetics, auditory phonetics, and articulatory phonetics. Acoustic phonetics deals with the study of the physical properties of rounds in the form of sound waves that result from the production of the sounds. This is what makes the listener hear what the speaker says. Auditory phonetics deals with how sounds are perceived by our brains. This is done by studying the voice one at a time as stated in chapters. Articulatory phonetics also deals with the sound of language, but focuses. The focus on sound production necessarily means this branch of phonetics must handle the speech mechanism that is involved in sound production. Two, phonology is differentiated from phonetics in that the focus of the study is different. In phonology, we also discuss the arrangement of sounds to form a syllable or a word. From the description above, we can see the phonology doesn't deal with sounds are formed, produced or perceived, but how they are arranged in relation or to the sounds. Three is sounds and letter. People quite often confuse sounds with letters. Sounds are not letter A sounds, however, may be reprinted graphically by letters, but sound is not synonymous with a letter. We can say therefore that there is no one-to-one correlation between sounds and letters. One sound may be represented by one letter or combination of letters. The noise that a human produces when communicating with another human is as we know a sound. The sound is different from non-human sounds that an animal produces. The sound, the human sound or combination of sounds brings about meanings. For phonetics, phonology, and phonemics, we have made a distinction between phonetics and phonology in the previous section. One technical term remaining which is related to the study of sounds is phonemics. In phonemics, we study sounds in order to determine whether certain sounds are in contrast with certain other sounds which bring about different meanings or not. Two sounds may not be phonemically contrastive in one language but contrastive in another abstractly. We say that phonemes are the smallest distinctive units of sounds in a language. Thank you. That's from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.